Welcome back, everybody. I just received the PKE remote start keyless entry alarm system, and I am looking forward to seeing how this button's going to fit, if it fits properly, if we have to do some modification. But it's a little alarm push start remote start kit, so let's check it out. Kind of cool little magnet system there. Got some magnets in there. Okay, we got a card, we got instruction manual. Ooh, the remotes are kind of nice. I like this shape. Kind of Audi looking in a way. Audi or the new Dodge Ram remotes look like that. All right, here we go. Here is our new push button. We'll check it out. Let's see what else is down there. The siren, the module, the wires, but this is what I really wanted to check out. Let's put it in there. The ignition switch is already out of the C10. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a peek at it. Follow me on the other side and we'll see how this works. Okay. Let's check the lighting. Does the lighting look good, Miss Kiki?
Yes.
All right, here we go. Got a lot of stuff taken out of the vehicle. The dash, as you can see, we have the glove box temporarily taken out. The AC controls came out with the system. The radio we've already been playing with is going to be the single DIN that goes to the 10.1 inch. And we're going to be going with the new cluster system. So here is where our original ignition key was at. So at first glance, yeah, the spacing looks actually pretty good. Let's check it out. Let's run the wire through. Okay, so these little tabs are going to go behind here. Oh, wow. That actually looks like it's going to fit pretty good. Let's bend some of these tabs a little bit. Let's see, a little bit more. Okay, we got 2 tabs in. We got 3 tabs in. Let's see about this last one. Actually, you know what? There's a little tab right there. Oh, there it goes. All right. Wow. Has a little flex on that rubber ring. There's a little notch up here, but not too bad. Let's see if we can start to press it in. Let's go up just a little bit. Wow, I like this. Let's secure it just a little bit more. Wow, there we go. Let's see if we can secure this side just a tad. There it is. So the push button looks pretty good in here. What do you think?
Looks great.
Looks pretty slick. We'll clean this up a little bit once we start getting everything back together. But the module will be hidden up in the dash. I like that. So once it's all together, if someone gets in the vehicle and doesn't have the remote, this will not work. It's basically going to be a 1972 Chevy C10 with a smart key. It's going to have the smart key set up. When you walk up to the vehicle, you don't even have to touch the doors. The power door locks we're going to add automatically will unlock with the remote in your pocket. And when you walk away more than 3 to 5 feet, it'll automatically lock. I was looking at the instruction manual online. There's 2 antennas for the smart key, the keyless entry. We're going to put one up here in the windshield, and there's going to be one in the back. So whenever you walk up, that key's in your pocket, doors are going to automatically unlock, jump in, push that button, we're going to be good to go. So keep following us. Once we get to that section, get everything in, have the push start going, we'll let you know. We'll keep you updated. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell to be updated on our future videos, and we'll see you all next time. Thank you for joining us.